Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and what we are looking at is our very first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, and I am super excited. This is based on all the leaks and rumors that we've had for the device. Thanks to OnLeaks and Price Baba, they have put together this 3D look for us. So this is our very first look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Pro, and I gotta say, it's looking absolutely beautiful. In the front, we got a 6.75-inch display with the camera hole up top right in the middle instead of the top right like we have on the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. And honestly, in my opinion, it just looks a lot better right there in the center up top. We also got the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor like we have on the S10 and S10 Plus. Hopefully it will be a little bit faster than those devices. Then on the left of the device, you'll notice the power button and the volume rocker, and then nothing on the right. So I'm not seeing any Bigsby button. It looks like they might finally be listening to the customers and getting rid of that Bigsby button. I know there's a lot of people that really weren't happy about it. It's always just getting in the way, having those accidental pushes. I know myself personally, I'm always accidentally pushing that Bigsby button, even though now we do have the option to disable it or put some other type of app with the button. But just getting rid of it overall is a big move, and I'm glad they are doing that. Now on the bottom, you'll notice the S Pen, the speaker, the microphone, and the charging port. Then up the top, you have the SIM card tray, a microphone, and what looks like to be an IR blaster, which will actually be pretty cool. I think the last phone I had with an IR blaster was the LG G4, if I'm not mistaken, and I found myself using that all the time. It's really cool. You can control your TV, your air conditioner, radio, anything that you can basically use a remote for, you can use that IR blaster, which actually really comes in handy a lot more than you think it would. Now, one thing you do not see is the headphone jack. Yes, it looks like they are getting rid of the headphone jack, and honestly, I think it's been a long time coming. I am disappointed because I do use the headphone jack almost every day. I use it pretty often. So the fact that they are getting rid of it, it is pretty disappointing. I mean, I do have my high quality Galaxy Buds that sound great, but there's a lot of times where I do like to use my wired headphones, but they have kept the headphone jack in the game for the longest time. So it looks like they are going to use the Note 10 Pro to be getting rid of that headphone jack for the first of all their flagship devices. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. So in the back of the device, you'll notice it's a nice, beautiful glass back like always. And then we got a 4-camera setup in the back, with the fourth one being a 3D depth sensor. And I'm super excited for these cameras because, you know, Samsung always provides great quality cameras within their devices, and I'm sure these will be no disappointment. We can expect the same great quality, if not even better than their past flagships. But overall, I am just really excited for this device. I cannot wait till launch date so we can actually see the real thing and get it in hand, mess with it, play with it. You already know I'm going to be making tons of videos once this device does come out. But so far for our very first look, y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Are you just as hype as I am? And also, what do you think about them getting rid of the Bigsby button and the headphone jack? Let me know down below. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, and give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and find it helpful. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.